Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Wilbert.
And I am Donna. We are so happy to be here with you today.
Today we have a very fun topic. We are talking about hobbies.
I love this topic. Hobbies make life interesting.
They do. And before we start, if you want to learn English with us every day, please click the subscribe button.
Yes, join our family. Give this video a like if you are ready to learn. It helps us a lot.
So Donna, let's start with a simple question. What is a hobby?
That is a good question, Wilbert. A hobby is an activity. It's something you do for fun in your free time.
Exactly. It is not work, it is not school. It is just for you.
For example, I love painting. Painting is my hobby.
Oh, I didn't know that. Are you a good painter?
Well, I try. Sometimes I paint a tree and it looks like a green cloud, but it makes me happy. That is what matters.
That's true. Happiness is the goal. My hobby is a bit different. I love gardening.
Gardening, so you like plants and flowers?
Yes, I spend my weekends in the dirt. I plant seeds, I water them, I watch them grow.
That sounds very peaceful. Gardening. Let's say that slowly for our friends. Gar-da-ning.
Gardening. It's a great way to relax.
Wilbert, what other hobbies are popular?
Many people love playing video games. Look at our topic icon, a game controller.
Yes, playing video games. Many people do this after work to relax. Do you play games?
A little bit, but I'm very slow. The kids online always win. It's a bit embarrassing.
Don't worry, Wilbert. It's just a hobby. You don't have to be a pro.
You are right. Another common hobby is cooking.
Oh, I love cooking. But is it a hobby if you have to do it every day?
Good point. It is a hobby if you try new recipes and enjoy the process. If you just make toast because you're hungry, maybe that's not a hobby.
Then toast is my specialty.
We should also mention reading. Many English learners use reading as a hobby to improve their skills.
Yes, reading. It's a wonderful hobby. You can travel to different worlds in a book.
Let's practice some sentences our listeners can use. Donna, ask me about my hobby.
Okay, Wilbert, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like gardening. Or I can say, my hobby is gardening.
Perfect. Let's try another one. Wilbert, what are your hobbies?
I like gardening and listening to music.
Notice how Wilbert said hobbies with an S because he mentioned two things.
Yes, one hobby, two hobbies.
Let's repeat some key phrases very slowly. Listen and repeat after me. What is your hobby? What do you like to do for fun? In my free time, I like to. I enjoy.
Great job. Remember, I enjoy is the same as I like. I enjoy swimming. I enjoy dancing.
Can you dance, Wilbert?
Only when no one is watching, Donna. Only then.
Now we have a question for you, our listeners.
Think about your life. What makes you smile on the weekend?
What is your favorite hobby?
Do you like photography? Do you like playing sports?
Or maybe your hobby is learning English. If so, you are doing a great job right now.
Yes, you are.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation about hobbies.
It was very fun. Thank you for listening to us while you cook, drive, or relax.
Before we go, please tell us in the comments, what is your favorite hobby?
I want to know. Maybe someone else has the same hobby as you.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye for now.
Goodbye.